bestie, so we are doing a blind body spray test, girl. We got my blindfold here, girl, and we are going to try this out. So if you can't try to go for like an orange thing, y'all know like orange scent is the orange vanilla twist. She is that girl, but we got our thing on. Let's go. Now, yeah, I cannot see nothing. We're going to move it around. We just okay, let's do this one first. I don't spray. I hope I don't spray to my face. Oh. I think they got towards my face. I hope my face don't break out, y'all. Cause y'all know my face is very like sensitive. Oh my gosh. Okay. That is orange vanilla twist. I know my girl down. That is that. Yup. That is orange vanilla twist. Oh my gosh, I love her down. But I hope my face do not break out, y'all. Cause like y'all like know my face is very like sensitive. So I hope it doesn't break out, girl. But come on. All right. Down. Any, meeny, miny, mo. Pick a fragrance by the toe if you want it. Spray. Okay. We'll do this way. Okay. I don't want to spray it in my face. We're going to spray it down here. Calypso and Clementine, girl. Because it smells like a bag full of oranges. Now, the last scent. This is... What is this? What is this? What is this? I can't, like, think of, like, the name. What is this? What is this? Okay, raspberry tangerine. Okay, yeah, because at first I was like, what's that? It smells like. Besties, we did it, girl. Now, we'll say for some reason that was kind of hard to, like, guess, but... Girl, y'all, if you don't have orange vanilla twist, girl, what is you doing? I wish they brought that back this year for the semi-sale because I got that from the 2022 semi-sale, girl. But, girl, comment down below, girl, which one is your favorite fragrance, girl? And until next time, girl, bye, bestie.